Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Before you click buy, here is the quick buyer-friendly breakdown of the wall shelves. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Large storage space. This shoe rack comes with 12 large cubes, providing ample storage space to hold 24 pairs of. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Flexible use and customized shape. The parts of the shoe cabinet can be easily disassembled, allowing you to easily. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Sturdy construction. Crafted from high-quality PP materials, this shoe rack is built to last. The durable. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wall storage, cleaner setup, and home decor. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. One buyer summed it up well, saying it best thing ever. My simple verdict. The wall shelves looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.